Hey train fans, Roy here. I'm doing Nancy's 1-Up Plus challenge. I have 2 tracks. So my first train is a unit train, and it's intermodal. And that's the one you see going by now. And then in the background, you can probably hear that's my Broadway Limited, the Spirit locomotive, and it's got the other train, which you'll see coming around after this one goes by. I've also got the Rolling Thunder hooked up on that, so you should be able to hear the rumble a little better. But the other thing I'm doing is I'm kind of doing jack speed. It's slightly faster, I think. He has some super crawl modes. I could do that, but it would make this video take like 20 minutes. So I'm just going at his more typical slow speed. And if you just heard that, it's because I slowed down the Spirit. It was trying to overtake the unit train here. But I'll start it going here in a second. Anyway, Nancy, I hope you're enjoying my intermodal unit train. I've got, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and then 23 total cars, although they're sets of cars. They go together. But coming up on the end here with the Maersk cars. And then right behind it is the Spirit coming up, and it's got a mixed freight train with some box cars, a hopper, some gondolas, some tankers, center beams, a couple auto racks. Something kind of typical for what I would see coming into my prototypical layout. The intermodals you wouldn't see, but I have them because in my future expansion, when I do San Diego way off next year, there's intermodal there. Anyway, here comes the UP, the Spirit, with the Rolling Thunder sound. And I'm not sure if it's coming through on the camera right, but it does sound pretty darn good here in the room with the subwoofer doing the rumble. And there's a couple new cars in here. There's that BNSF Heritage car. It's new from Microtrains, and then I got the Cotton Belt Heritage Hopper to go with the other ones that I shared in the Hopper video. Here's some nice tanker cars, followed up by a set of center beams. Like I said, all these are things that I would see in my Oxnard subdivision area, Santa Barbara subdivision, Oxnard local. We have a couple lumber yards. We have a paper mill that takes hoppers and box cars, and occasionally some tank cars. And then of course the auto racks are very common. We have the port with auto racks. So all of these are something that I would typically see on my local line. Now if you hear the rumble has gone away, and that's because the train has moved far enough away from the sensor that it fades out, and you'll hear it now coming back up. And it's working a little harder because it's going around 2 curves, so these BLI locos, they automatically sort of detect the current draw and ramp up the engines. So you can hear it ramping up, and then in a second here it will go back down because it'll ease up. So now that we've seen them all go by once, I'm going to speed them up a little bit, get them out of jack mode into a more prototypical speed, like if they were out on the main line. Get them going around here. Still not ridiculous speed, just, slightly more prototypical. Here comes the Spirit again. We'll let this one go by. And then I'll end the video there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my 2 trains for Nancy's 1-Up Plus challenge. And have a good day.